I don't know if you've seen this online, but you know that song from Lauren Daigle, and it's called Still Rolling Stones, and we are playing that on his radio. She got together with her band. This is the song right here. And they did this amazing thing where all the band was at their own houses. She's at her house, and then they start belting out Still Rolling Stones. It's so amazing. She's like center screen, and you've seen some choirs and stuff do this, but to see Lauren Daigle's full band do this along with the background singers, it just like goes, whoa, chills up and down your spine on this one.
Yeah, after I saw this yesterday, I just could not stop singing it, and it just gave me such encouragement.
Because he's alive. That stone rolled away, right? Come on, Lauren. I love the way this looks online. Oh, here's the big finish.